is another tutorial on how to get Grok for free. If you've been following my channel and be watching my videos, you will come across video where I've talked about how to get Grok for free and its alternatives. You can check this playlist here. I have also dropped the link in the description so you can watch it after this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to access Grok for free in a particular platform. So ensure you watch this video to the end so you can understand how you can create your own videos using this platform. Before we dive in, my name is Abasiofon Emmanuel. I'm a brand strategist for busy business owners. I help them grow their brand online while they focus on what they do best, growing their business. And on this channel, I share tips on content, positioning, strategy, and AI. So if you want more practical videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel right away. So now let's dive in. So this is the platform we'll be using, Robonio AI. So just go to your browser and type in Robonio AI. So you look for this particular one. This is one we're going to be working with. So right now we're in this interface, and when you come in, you have to create your account. So yeah, I have login. So you create your account, select a particular account you want to use to sign up. Now, like I always say, the best to sign up with is continuing with Google. So you select your desired Google account that you want to sign up with. So this is the interface that we are in. Okay, before I continue, sorry, when we clicked on the sign up button, it was actually sign in that was there. Okay, you won't see sign up, it was actually sign in. So just continue with Google, select particular Google accounts you want to use, and you are in already. So this is where it brought me to. So if you look up here, you see 70 carrots times 70. So when I signed up now, I got 70 carrots, that is credits, for you to use to generate your videos. So right now, I'm also going to show you how you can always get credits to use. So on this platform, when you sign in every day, you get 20 carrots. So ensure to sign in every day so you can get carrots that's your credits to generate your videos. So I'm also going to show you how you can get extra carrots at the end of this video. So ensure you watch this video to the end. So right now, let's start creating our videos. The first thing you need to do here is click on this place where you see this plus. Okay, so you can actually open this particular bar. You can just click on this place. You see where you have new projects. Just click on new projects. So it brings us to this place where we have these teams, agents, canvas, workflow. Okay, our business here is workflow. So we click on workflow. So it's loading canvas. You just have to wait for it to. So we are here on this interface. So now let me tell you something about this Robonio AI. Now for you to access this particular platform, you need to be on desktop mode. Okay, that means you need to have a laptop. But if you don't have a laptop, it doesn't matter. I'm actually using my smartphone right now. So what you need to do is, when you come to this platform, you have to be doing zoom in and zoom out so that you can actually use it. Look at it, zoom in and zoom out. Okay, that's how we're having all these things like this. If you notice, this particular place is counting 31, 10, like that. Okay, so you're going to be zooming in and zooming out for you to be able to navigate the platform. So I'm going to collapse this so that we can have our workflow easily here. So now when you want to create your video, the first thing you're going to do is click on this plus. See it here. So you have different things here. We have enter nude, we have text, image, video, audio. Okay, we have creation type, but write text, everything is here. We have image creation. If you want to use your text to image, you want to use text to create image. We have image editor. We have so many things you can do on this platform. Then we have video creation. We have text to video if you want to use text to prompt your video. We have image to video, first and last frame. So many things you can do on this platform. You even have audio creation, text to music, lyrics generation, song generation. It's an amazing platform. Okay, so our business here is video creation. So we are going to go to video creation, and the video creation we are going to be using, particular option we are going to use to create our video is image to video. Okay, so you can use text to video if you don't have an image. All right, and you can also generate image on this platform. Either are you going to be using text to image or image editor. Okay, you just text image that is here. Okay, just text the image that you can do on this platform. Okay, so right now we are going to click on image to video. Now if you look at this place right here, let me zoom in so that you see what we have here. See it here. You have to be able to navigate this platform by zooming in and zooming out, please. Okay, so just follow me closely so you don't miss any step I'm going to be taking. So when you look at this particular place, you have where you have image to video, you see select model. Okay, now we have sedans 2.0. You're going to click on it. This is where we're going to select our model. So now you are going to look for we have different models here. I'm going to look for Grok. Okay, so I have to adjust my screen so that I can actually select Grok. So if you look down here, you see Grok here. Okay, this is what you are going to look for to select it. Okay, initially it was actually Sedans 2.0. Under you have Sedans 2.0 fast, like that under. So you just look for Grok. So see Grok down here. Okay, you see Grok, you see Sora 2 Pro, but we're looking for Grok. Okay, so that is just here. So I'm going to click on Grok now. See, I've selected Grok to use. That's the model I want to work with. So now we have selected Grok. We have here duration. I think I have to zoom this a bit if I can. Let me just adjust. It's more than. Let me use 31. I usually use 31 for this. So these are the platform works. You just have to be careful while you are using it. So right now I'm going to select duration. We have duration here. We have 5 seconds. So duration here we have we have different durations here you can use, but I'm going to leave it on 5 for the sake of this tutorial. I'm going to leave it on 5. I could have selected 8 or something, but let's leave it at 5 because I can't actually select it right now, maybe because of the way I'm recording. Then the next one is resolution 720p. That is here. You can leave it at 780p. So we have 50 credits, so we are going to run it with 50 credits. Okay, so I adjusted my screen so I can actually select the duration. So let me show you the duration properly. Okay, so it's so long. See, it's even to 15 seconds you can generate your videos. Okay, so I'm going to leave it at 6. Let me just select 6. So when it is 6, this is how the credits look like that. The carrots, it says 60. We need 60 carrots to generate our video. Now if you select, this is 480p I selected, so this is 720p. You have 84 credits. So as the duration changes and the resolution changes, the carrots, the credits increases for you to generate. So you just particularly manage your carrots. Okay, so I'm going to leave it at 480p for the purpose of this tutorial. So now this is my screen. How you can actually work on this platform is just click on this where you have this zoom to fit. Okay, you can touch it and adjust it carefully by yourself where you click on zoom to fit. All right, so if you leave it without clicking on zoom to fit, to just be moving anyhow for you, just click on zoom to fit and you can easily adjust it the way you want it. Okay, so right now let's continue. Now you have this place where you have text. This is where you're going to paste your prompt, the prompt that you want to use to generate your video. You need a prompt. Prompt is a command you give to an AI tool for you to generate a desired result. So you need to paste your prompt here. So this place where you have image, this is where you're going to click on. You see drag and drop or click to upload. So you're going to upload your image if you have an image that you want to use. Okay, so right here where you have this text, this is where you're going to type in your prompt like I said. So this place here you can't actually paste based on the way the platform is now, because basically for desktop mode users, and this is Android, but you're trying to navigate it in a way that we can access it. Okay, so you can't really kind of paste your prompt, you just have to type it here. So you're going to click here. So I just type in something simple that we can use for this tutorial. All right, so I'm going to click here to upload my image. So my image is uploading, so this is it. Let's wait for it to finish uploading. All right, it has been uploaded here already. So what you're going to click on now is run. So it's going to start generating. It's generating already, you just have to wait for it. So if you've watched this tutorial to this extent, make sure you like, you subscribe to this channel, and you also turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I drop amazing tutorials like this. This is going to take a bit of time, but just be patient while it generates. So right now our video is almost ready. As you can see, it's almost ready. It's counting. So you can just use your hand. I'm using one of my thumb to just move this. Okay, so that's why you just click on zoom to fit so I can easily navigate the platform. So this is, I just adjusted it to this place. Okay, it's counting, and let's wait for us to see the results that we've gotten. Now if you look up here, you see that our credit is not 10. Okay, you need our carrots, sorry, it's not 10. You need this particular carrots to generate your videos. So make sure you sign in every day so that you can get credits. So like I said, I'm also going to show you how you can get extra carrots. Right now our video has been generated. Look at it, just click on it, and now the volume is not on. Let me turn it on. Okay, it's on. Let me play right now.
Hi, how are you doing today? I hope you're fine.
Wow, it looks so natural, so natural, or so real. Okay, so this is how you can generate.
Hi, how are you doing today? I I hope you're fine.
So let me pause this. Look at this place here. You have this download symbol. That's where you can download your video. Just click on it. Look at this downloading. So you can also long press to download your video. Just hold it. So this option pops up for you to download. Then you click on download video. Then to download it to your device. Okay. So this is how you download. Look at it. It has been downloaded to our device. All right. So this is how you generate video on this particular platform. Now let me try something else again. So show you how the thing you're going to do just to come to this text again and change what we already have. Okay. Right now, see it. We have paste. Okay. So I'm going to click on paste. Now maybe let me see, because I've copied something. I've been able to select my text. I'm going to paste. All right, so I pasted. So this is another trick you can use if you have something that you want to use. We probably just type in something, then you select it to paste. Okay, maybe you can also try, because I tried pasting initially, it didn't work at all. So maybe this is another approach. Just hold it. Okay, this is another approach you can use. So let me try something quickly. Let me see something quickly. Let me select all and let's delete it. Okay, I've deleted it. So I want to try pasting something. See, it's not coming up for me to paste. Okay, so what you can do here is this. So now I'm going to just type in something random, just a word, anything, just random. All right, I'm going to hold this right now and let me paste my prompt. See, let's paste. So this is how you can actually use this platform to copy your prompt from somewhere and paste it here. Okay, so and if you want to paste on its own, like without just empty box, it will not paste. This is what I've noticed. Okay, maybe you can try from your end, but if you want to be able to paste, just type in something random and then just click on the paste option to be pasted here for you to use to run. I'm going to show you how you can get extra credits. Now let's go back to our home. So if you want to exit this particular place, you want to go back to your home, just click on this robot nail. Okay, it'll take you back to the main place. So this is where we are, this main interface. So now how do you get extra credits on this platform? Now you see this place where you have invite friends. Invite a friend to sign up and both of you will receive 50 carrots. Each code can only be used once. Okay, so this particular code can only be used once and you get 50 credits. Your friend also gets 50 credits as well. Sorry, 50 carrots. All right, so I'm going to close it. This is how you can get. Just copy your link and send to someone and the person can use it to register. Then you get 50 carrots in return. All right, so if just in case maybe you are a coach or something and you want to teach somebody and people some kind of how to generate videos on this platform, you can send them the link and that way you get to have credits for you to use to generate your video. So this is it. Just explore the platform and try to sign in every day so you can get extra credits to use. And you want to learn how to generate faceless content that are monetizable on social media platform, then you can join my free AI community. The link is in the description. And this will be all for this tutorial. I am Abasi and I care about how your brand is being perceived. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.
Hi, how are you doing today? I hope you're fine.